Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bourbon cake, updated. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and prepare a loaf pan lined with parchment. Start by creaming butter and sugar until light, then beat in eggs one at a time. Fold dry ingredients gently to avoid overmixing and stir in bourbon for flavor. Pour into pan, bake until a toothpick comes out clean, and cool before glazing for best results. Combine softened butter and sugar and beat until light and fluffy for proper lift. Add eggs one at a time, mixing fully after each addition to keep the batter smooth. Alternate adding dry ingredients and a splash of milk to maintain a tender crumb, then fold in 1/3 cup bourbon for depth and warmth. Scrape the bowl so nothing is wasted, then transfer batter to the prepared pan and smooth the top gently. If you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like the video to support more tasty guides. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep and cake transport easy and worry-free, perfect for sharing slices with friends or taking to potlucks. They keep frosting and syrup secure so your bourbon cake stays pristine. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Once the cake is in the oven, resist opening the door early to keep it from collapsing. Check at about 45 minutes with a toothpick and bake longer if needed until it comes out clean. After a brief cool in the pan, remove to a rack so it cools evenly before glazing. Drizzle a bourbon glaze while still slightly warm so it seeps in and adds moist, boozy flavor without overpowering the cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.